Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the amazing world of health and wellness. Today, we're uncovering the wonders of coconut oil. This versatile oil has been a staple in kitchens and beauty routines for years. So, what makes it so special? Stick around to learn about the top 5 key benefits of coconut oil that you don't want to miss. Number 1, boosts heart health. Let's kick things off with heart health. Coconut oil is rich in healthy fats, particularly medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can boost heart health. Studies suggest that MCTs can help increase good HDL cholesterol while reducing bad LDL cholesterol. This can lead to better overall heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating coconut oil into your diet can be a delicious and heart-healthy choice. Number 2, aids in weight loss. Next up, let's talk about weight loss. Coconut oil can actually help with weight management. The MCTs in coconut oil can increase energy expenditure and promote fat burning. They also help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Add a tablespoon of coconut oil to your morning smoothie or use it for cooking to harness these weight loss benefits. Number 3, supports skin health. Moving on to skincare, coconut oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. It's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for soothing dry, irritated skin. It can even help with conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to your skin daily for a healthy, glowing complexion. Number 4, enhances hair health. Now, let's talk about hair health. Coconut oil can work wonders for your hair, too. It penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing essential nutrients and moisture. Regular use can reduce protein loss, strengthen your hair, and promote growth. Whether you use it as a hair mask or a leave-in conditioner, coconut oil can help keep your locks luscious and healthy. Number 5, boosts immune system. Last but not least, coconut oil can boost your immune system. It contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. This can help your body fight off infections and stay healthy. Incorporate coconut oil into your cooking or take a small spoonful daily to give your immune system that extra boost. So there you have it, the wonders of coconut oil. From boosting heart health to enhancing your skin and hair, coconut oil truly is a versatile powerhouse. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonders of nature's gifts. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.